Hi, my name is Michelle, and I am showing you my model of Earth that I made. So here on the side, right here, we have a model that I made from Earth, and it shows a couple of continents. It shows Africa, Antarctica, and a little part of Asia up here. But Antarctica is right here and Africa is right here. This, as you can see, is Madagascar. Um, and this is the shape of an Earth. The Earth is a shape of a sphere, and it is 3D, as you can see. You can't see really well from this image, but you can see it here very well. And I am gonna just see my questions that we have to do. 1 second. So, I'm gonna X this out. Okay. So one of the questions was, all the questions are worth right here. Here, I'm going to highlight them. The Earth and what it looks like. So what that means is, what does your Earth look like, the model? My model looks like the Earth because it shows us some of the continents and how Earth looks like. All these white stuff you see right here, those are all clouds actually. All that white you see, that's cloud. And then I have two models because I had time. And then I made also a model of the shape of the Earth. My model for this one shows us the shape of the Earth, and it looks like a sphere. This one looks kind of like a circular, a bit 3D, but not that much. The next question is the point of view. From which point of view did I make my model? From which point of view did I draw my model or make my model, whatever. Same thing. For this one right here, I made my model from the side, and it was the side where you can see Africa, Antarctica, and a part of Asia. And for this one I made my point of view from the side, where you can see that it's three-dimensional because this is clear. You can see it, and you can see kind of top. It was a bit from the top, but it was from the side mostly. The limitations of your model. What that means is, what can't your model do, or what can't you see in your model? What you can't see in my model is you can't see the North Pole, or you can't see America, you can't see Europe, and you can't see Australia from this point of view. But what you can see, you can't also see South America, but what you can see is Africa, Antarctica, and a part of Asia. You can't see most of Asia, but you see a part up here. And that was what my model can't see. You can't see some of the continents. Sorry about the background noise. And then this one does say it's kind of the same thing, but gives you a bit more information. It says, like, from where do you think this picture was taken? Not picture, sorry, model. Like, from where would you have taken it if you were going to take a picture of the Earth, so it looked like this? I would have probably taken it up in space and taken the picture of going a bit lower and taking a picture of how it looks like the side, but mostly on the side. The Earth looks like my model because the Earth looks like my model because it shows us how the Earth looks, how part of the Earth looks, and that it is a bit three-dimensional, which you can see here, that it's three-dimensional. And here it says, this is the shape of the Earth is a shape of a sphere. How would you describe models? Models can be many different things. They can be a model of, here, look, it can be models. It can be many different things. Give me 1 second. But models can be different things, many different things. They can be, sorry about that. Models can be many different things. It can be a ramp, it can be a model, like a drawing of how something is supposed to look. It can be a thing you made, like, so it's like a little dollhouse to, like, just to plan it out. And what are some examples of models? Some examples of models can be like the toilet paper tube that you get. That can be a model because that can be like a little tunnel or something. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.